In about 6 months, Samsung will launch the successor to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Some early information is already in circulation. It was recently revealed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor with a new lens, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP periscope sensor offering 5x optical zoom. The 3x telephoto sensor is also receiving attention, with Samsung reportedly testing a 12MP unit, an upgrade from the S25 Ultra's 10MP. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature Qualcomm's 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor globally. Samsung apparently intends to equip the Galaxy S25 Ultra with 16GB of RAM in all storage variants, which reportedly remain unchanged at 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The 6.9-inch display with COE technology is expected to be the same size as its predecessor, with only minimal changes to the display bezels. All the more surprising that the 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging is expected to remain unchanged. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.